Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Onyinyechiikechiweta here. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved my finger curls using the Onyinyechiikechiweta flaxseed recipe elongating gel. So please do well to stay tuned till the end of the video, and please subscribe, like and comment on my video. Right now my hair is not washed. I'm about to wash my hair, so when I finish washing the hair you guys will get to see the outcome, and I will demonstrate how I make use of the Onyinyechiikechiweta flaxseed recipe. Welcome back guys. As you can see, I just finished washing my hair. Although my coils are popping a bit, but I still want to define it. So in defining it today, I'll be using this Onyinyechiikechiweta flaxseed recipe elongating gel. Don't know if you guys can see it very well. I got this from a shopping mall. I was looking for a gel to define my curls because Eco Styler gel is not really giving me what I want, so I needed something different. So I stumbled upon this at the shopping mall. So today we're going to be testing it out if it's going to work. So guys, I'll be applying this oil to my hair. It's called the Life Natural Vitamin E oil. That's what it's called. I know you guys can see it. I'll be applying it to my hair so that by the time my coil dries out, it will not be too dry, but it will still have the moisture that it's supposed to have. I applied a little so that the flaxseed elongating gel will not, so that it will not be white on my hair when I apply it. So this is what it looks like. So I'll be working in 4 sections. I will divide my hair into 4 sections so that it will be easy for me to define my curls. Okay, I've gotten this side. I'll just go down the middle downwards this way. Then just hold this part of my hair. Hold this part of my hair. A ribbon, something like this, the ribbon. Just hold it down so that it will be easy for me to achieve what I want. Just hope this works at the end of the whole day, because this is my first, this is the official first video I'm doing on coil definition. So I just hope Onyinyechiikechiweta works on my hair. So we're going to hold this down as well. We're going to hold this down as well. Then we're working, I'm starting from the back, but I'm going to be working in smaller sections. I'm working in small sections, so these ones still go up to join this. I will start with this. My hair is still damped, it's still wet, a little bit wet, but I'll still add a little water to it. Don't mind my spirit bottle, is what I got. My former bottle got damaged, so I had to get a new one. I improvised with an old perfume bottle I had at home, so I improvised. Well, let's see. My hair is wet now and pretty much damped. You can see for yourself. You can see. So now I'll be applying the Onyinyechiikechiweta flaxseed recipe elongating gel. Let me just start with a little bit of it to see how it comes up, how it forms up or defines my curls. Okay, let's see if it's going to work well for it. This is, whoa, I can see something. I can see something, you guys. Whoa. This is, guys, can you see? Can you see? Whoa. Oh my God. Guys, can you see? This is, I've not even finger coiled, and it's, whoa. Let me apply a little more over here. Whoa. So guys, this is the end result. As you can see, this is what I got out of anti-jackies. I'm not sure about the elongating part of this flaxseed gel. I'm not sure about it, but my coils are really popping. And you guys, I did a little flat twist here because of my edges, and I needed something that will last, so I did a flat twist over here. You guys can see it. So this is what it turned out to be. But out of 10, I'm going to give it I'll give it 8/10 coming from me. 8/10, because Eco Styler gel it didn't even come close to making my hair this defined. But I like what I'm seeing over here, so it's a thumbs up for me. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. If there's any video you want me to do on my channel, you can leave the video idea in the comment section and I will get to do it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.